student. Hello student. Welcome to my video tutorial of employability skill. Student, as you know, we are discussing about basic ICT skill, that is information and communication technology. In my previous video, we already discussed about different parts of the computer system. Now in this video, we are going to discuss about the computer hardware and software. Okay, so let's get started. Now it is seen here, a computer system consists of two main parts, the hardware and the software. Okay, the physical part that we can see and touch are called the hardware part. Okay student, so here the parts which can be seen and touched is known as hardware. Okay, it is the machinery of a computer system. Okay, जो भी आप मशीन यानी कंप्यूटर को देखते हैं जिसमें आपको CPU, कीबोर्ड, माउस, मॉनिटर, ये सारी जो आपको जो सॉफ्टवेयर, ये जो आपको हार्डवेयर दिखते हैं, पार्ट्स दिखते हैं कंप्यूटर के, उनको क्या बोलते हैं? कंप्यूटर हार्डवेयर बोलते हैं. These are the keyboard, monitor, CPU, etc. Okay, the software that we cannot see, okay, makes the hardware work the way we want. Means सॉफ्टवेयर क्या होते हैं जिसको देख सकते हैं, बट वो एक प्रोग्राम होते हैं जिसको हम प्रोग्राम लिखते हैं और उस प्रोग्राम को वर्क करता है आपका हार्डवेयर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, एज सो इन अ फिगर 3.20, the monitor is a physical device or hardware. When we start a program, it is displayed on the monitor. Okay, suppose अगर मैंने कोई सॉफ्टवेयर स्टार्ट किया, जैसे मान लो मैंने MS वर्ड स्टार्ट किया, तो वो हमको कहाँ दिखता है? मॉनिटर पर दिखता है. तो मॉनिटर यहाँ पे क्या है? हार्डवेयर है, और जो प्रोग्राम जो हमने स्टार्ट किया, जो हमें डिस्प्ले हो रहा, वो क्या हुआ? सॉफ्टवेयर हुआ. हार्डवेयर वुड नॉट बी ऑफ एनी यूज without the software. Means hardware and software are both are the dependent on each other. Okay student, so the most important software in any computer system is operating system. Simple. सबसे महत्वपूर्ण जो सॉफ्टवेयर है कंप्यूटर के अंदर, वो कौन सा होता है? ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम होता है. दिस इज द सॉफ्टवेयर दैट स्टार्ट वर्किंग एज सुन एज वी स्विच ऑन द कंप्यूटर. जैसे हम कंप्यूटर को स्टार्ट करते हैं, ये सॉफ्टवेयर वर्क करना स्टार्ट कर देता है. इट डिस्प्ले द डेस्कटॉप ऑन द मॉनिटर. ये क्या करता है? डेस्कटॉप को मॉनिटर पर डिस्प्ले करता है. सम ऑफ द मोस्ट कॉमनली यूज्ड ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम फॉर लैपटॉप एंड डेस्कटॉप आर Ubuntu, Microsoft Windows, okay, Apple Mac operating system, and etc. Now mobile device also have operating system that helps them perform their function. Okay, some of the mobile operating system are Apple, iOS, Android, and so on. All the computer applications such as browser, game, office tool, etc. are also program. Okay, these are the program, and you also known as application software. Okay, so after this we are going to understand how to start a computer system. Okay, when we click on the input and output button, means a power button, the computer gets started. So let's see how it is started. Now what is the first thing you do after you wake up? Simple. जब आप सुबह उठते हैं सबसे पहले क्या करते हैं? ठीक है, जो डेली रूटीन है पहले आप वो करते हैं, बजाय कि अपना होमवर्क स्टार्ट करना. ओके, तो उसी तरह से कंप्यूटर भी है. जैसे हम मान लीजिए हमको एक कंप्यूटर में क्या करना है, हमें एक वर्ड प्रिपेयर करना है, मीन्स हमें एक वर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट प्रिपेयर करना है. तो सबसे पहले हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? तुरंत सॉफ्टवेयर स्टार्ट नहीं होगा, पहले क्या हमें पावर बटन ऑन करना पड़ेगा कंप्यूटर का, और जब तक कंप्यूटर प्रॉपरली स्टार्ट नहीं हो जाता तब तक हम उसको वर्ड ओपन नहीं कर सकते या एप्लीकेशन ओपन नहीं कर सकते. ठीक उसी तरह से. ठीक है. नाउ अब ये होता कैसे है? टू स्टार्ट अ कंप्यूटर प्रेस द पावर बटन ऑन द CPU. क्या करते हैं आप? CPU पे जो पावर बटन होता है उसको स्टार्ट करते हैं. दिस विल स्टार्ट द विंडोज ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम एंड डिस्प्ले द विंडोज डेस्कटॉप ऑन द मॉनिटर. सिंपल. जब आप पावर बटन ऑन करते हैं तो आपको ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम किस पे दिखता है? डेस्कटॉप पर दिखता है. नाउ लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड द नेक्स्ट थिंग, द बेसिक फंक्शन परफॉर्म व्हेन कंप्यूटर स्टार्ट। अब वो कौन सा फंक्शन है, जैसे आप पावर बटन स्टार्ट करते हैं तो कौन सा फंक्शन स्टार्ट होता है। तो जस्ट एज वी गो अबाउट with our morning routine without anyone telling us what to do, okay? Similarly, जैसे कि हम जब उठते हैं तो हम किसी को बताते नहीं कि हम क्या करने जा रहे हैं, ठीक है। जो हमारा डेली रूटीन होता है पहले वो करते हैं, उसके बाद कोई दूसरा काम करते हैं। ठीक उसी तरह से नाउ व्हेन वी स्विच ऑन और पावर ऑन द बटन, व्हाट हैपन आफ्टर दैट, ओके। नाउ हियर it is written, now a computer automatically runs a basic program called BIOS, basic program called BIOS, basic input output system, ठीक है। whenever we start, once we start, when we press on the power button, what happen, the BIOS file will start, okay। so BIOS, as soon as it is switched on, the power button is, okay, started. The BIOS first does the self-test. If the self-test shows that the system is fine, the BIOS will load the operating system. Okay. So first of all, the BIOS file checks the entire circuitry requirement and then it loads to the operating system. This means that the computer operating system, for example, Ubuntu, is now ready to take input from the user, or any Windows operating system that ready to take any input from the user. Okay, student. Then let's see what is the meaning of login and logout. Okay, so login. Now a computer can have many users. So you have, once you log in to the computer, okay, so computer identify you, authorize you to access the application or access anywhere in the computer system. It is called login. Okay, once you sign in, it is also called sign in. Okay, once you log out, means now it's mean you are log out the computer. Now another one is able to access that computer. Now when multiple people use the same computer, each person has his own files and application. Okay, student. To make sure nobody else see your work, you have login ID and password in a computer system. Simple. Okay. So a login and password is like a key to lock, which allows you to use the computer system. Okay. When you log into the computer with your login ID and password, the computer know that you are an authorized person and allow you to work on the application in the computer. Okay, जैसे आप लॉगिन करते हैं तो आपको क्या करता है, कंप्यूटर ऑथराइज करता है कि आप उस पर काम करिए, ठीक है। वंस यू फिनिश योर वर्क, यू मस्ट लॉग आउट और साइन आउट। सो जैसे आपने अपना काम कंप्लीट किया तो आप क्या करते हैं, साइन आउट करते हैं या फिर लॉग आउट करते हैं, सो डैट नो वन एल्स कैन सी योर वर्क। इसका मतलब कोई दूसरा आपके काम को देख नहीं सकता, दैट इज कॉल्ड साइन आउट। Now let's see about the shutting down the computer. Okay, so you can shut down the computer, ठीक है, by using system, okay, shut down, top right, and then click the shut down button. Okay, so here you can see on the picture also. So now here the next thing comes about the keyboard. Yes, is an input device. Okay, so a keyboard is an input device used to type text, number and commands into the computer as shown in the figure. Okay, simple, student. So here we are going to discussing about some different type of keys in the keyboard available. Okay, so available keys on keyboards. The first we are going to see function keys. It is starting from the F1 to F12 are the function keys, because each function keys having a different functionalities in different what, the keyboard. Okay, the function key starting from the F1 to F12. जैसे कि यहाँ पर F12, यहाँ पर क्या है, यहाँ पे F1 to F12 are function keys. You use them to perform a specific function. Okay, जैसे यहाँ पे F key is most programmed to get help F1. Okay, F1 key is most programmed to get help on that program. Similarly, F F5 is for refresh the browser. Okay. Now second one here is a control keys. Now control keys are such keys that control, shift, spacebar, alter, caps lock, tab are the special control keys that perform a special function depending on when and where they are used. Okay. Next one is enter keys. Enter is the label on this key can be either enter or return depending on which brand of the computer you are using. So, okay. So here escape key also work for cancel the cancel button. Work for like a cancel button. Similarly, another keys are punctuation keys. Okay. It includes keys for punctuation marks such as colon, semicolon, question mark, single quotation, okay, double quotation, etc. Next one is navigation keys. Now navigation keys having home, end, page up, page down, up, down, left, right. Okay. So these are the keys which is known as navigation keys. Next one is command keys such as insert, delete, backspace. Okay, these are the command keys. When the insert key is turned on, it helps you to overwrite character to the right of the cursor. The delete key and backspace key are used to remove the text, character and other objects from the right and left side. See, next the Windows key. Now Windows key also helps to start a Windows option. Now here the next thing comes here like about the mouse. Yes, mouse is also a pointing device. Okay, which have three buttons. Okay, left, right and roll over. So here we'll see about the mouse. Now some action can be done by simply rolling over the over item. When you bring the mouse, see, point and click. Yes, mouse help you to point the application and click that. Okay. Once you click, that application will open. Okay. There is another thing is drag and drop. So some application help you to drag and drop the tools on the application. Okay, on the screen. Here you just simple drag and drop any picture or any icon from left to right and top to bottom. Simple. Okay. Now double click. Double click is just like an enter button. Once you start a computer, if you want to open any application, just point the application and double click on it. Okay. So automatically the application will open it. So student, this is about the basic hardware and software of the computer system. Okay. So after this topic, you have to complete the activities and exercise which is given after the end of this topic. Okay, student, and session also. So I hope you understand it. Okay. Thank you for watching, student.